Hey, I've come back to share an order I received from HSN. It's for the Crafter's Companion Nature's Garden Woodland Friends. Now, this thing was on clearance. I think the original price for it was $99, and they had it for 30 something. I think it was $39. And I was on the fence about it for one little stamp, but then decided, let me go ahead and buy it. Anywho, to my surprise, it came with 2 small paper packs. And the paper packs, let me see which one's open. This one's open. Are super cute. I think they have 3 of each. Nope, sorry, 4 of each. Now you can use them anywhere you want. I mean, very cute. They did pretty good in keeping with their theme. Which anyone who knows me knows that I love to do that. Yeah, that's 4 of each. And then you have that one. Very pretty. So I got 2 of those, which is great. Now it came with some stamps. One of the, this is dies. This one is with love, and it's a pretty good size. Not huge, which I like that better. That's the with love. Happy birthday. And oh, I can't open it now. And this is the box. And the hedgehog, oh, Boxy, sending hedgehogs. Hey there, just for you. That's so cute. Let's see. Should have opened these before I came on. See, they're pretty good sizes. If you like to color, these are going to be great. You can use watercolors, alcohol markers, anything you want, any kind of medium you use. But super cute. They're not tiny that you're going to struggle with them. This is why I was iffy. For some reason I didn't like the squirrel. But now in person it looks cute. I like it. Have a nice day. You're a hoot. Go nuts. That's adorable. Then you got Hoppy. There's no. Then it has like you. Another stamp. Have a hoppy birthday. Good time, bunny. Well, okay. So it has also the dies. Hold on, let's get open. So you could cut out the bunny and the carrot. Now you can either cut to the side of the card, like you just leave off one side, or you can cut the entire bunny out. So that's pretty cool. Okay. This is nice. Just for you. Thank you. Oh, it comes with the thank you stamp. And again, it has the dies to go along with it. Let's see, this one's easy to open. Again, pretty sizable stamps. Very nice. Yeah, it has the just for you and the thank you. And then it has the dies to go with it. Fantastic. They gave you a border die. That'll be good for a 2 sides card for the side. Very cute. Oh, the deer. Your dear, you are so dear, special friend to me. Enjoy your day, or for a. And it has a little mushroom. And these also come with the dies. This is a lot of product for $39. Also very, very sizable stamp. I mean, you'll be able to blend your colors nicely on that size. It came with some little 3D cut toppers 24 pieces. Let's see what these look like. Oh, super cute. Hello, thinking of you for a special friend, sending bear hugs. Happy birthday. I'm sorry, may your birthday be filled of happiness. You're all I need. I'm so thankful for you. Enjoy the small things in life. Oh, this is so sweet. Best wishes just for you, made with love. Oh, I'll definitely be using these. Very nice. It came with a folder. I believe the folder is a 5x7 folder. If I could open it, I didn't want to break it. Oh, darn it. Oh well, covered it now. Just like that, I'm about to give up. I have no patience. Okay. Sheesh. Let's see. Yep, I'm gonna make a 5x7 card. It's a 2D, it's not a 3D folder, but it's very pretty. It's all keeping in their theme. It looks like the leaves and stuff they use on the dies. And then it came with the plain paper. Done in 6 sheets and 3 sheets of each. Everything blends very well. I'm really happy I picked this one up. I'm surprised at everything that you get. Anywho, this is my small haul. I hope you like it. I don't know if it's still on sale, but go check out HSN. If not, check out Crafters Companion's website, because they've been having some pretty good deals also. Anyway, till next time, have a great one, guys. Bye.